Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the action keys mode on your HP X360 ENVY laptop. So first I'm gonna explain the action keys. By the way, you need to be in the BIOS to change these settings, so if you don't know how to enter it, there is a video on our channel on how to do it. Then you can return to this video, and as you can see here, I have these action keys. They're not quite too visible. Now they are. You can see they have these symbols, but they also have F1, F2, F3, F4, etc. numbers. And if the F1, F2, F3, etc. have their functions in the system, so they actually function within the system. And they have some options, like for example the F1 will usually work as a help button, the F11 as a full screen button, etc. And you can switch it to either use the primary function of these buttons, so when you just press on them once, it will either use the symbol, so in this case it will open emojis, this will turn the brightness down, this will turn the brightness up, or the primary function will be the F key. To use the secondary function, so if you have the action keys set, so the symbols set as primary, to use the key, for example F11, to go into full screens in, for example, your browser, then you'll need to click on Fn and F11 at the same time, and it will use the secondary function. So now I'm gonna flip the screen over, and then in the BIOS, let's go to configuration. Then you'll see action keys mode, and you can set it to enabled or disabled. When it is enabled, then the symbols that are shown on the keys will be the primary function, and when it's set to disabled, then F1 to F12 will be the primary function. So I'm gonna set it to enable, and that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.